Hey, welcome back to the farm. After last month's sales season, I've kind of realized we need a little bit more parking. So we've been slowly cleaning up an area over here to the southeast corner of our upper field. You can kind of see our parking lot right here. Right now we have this kind of dual driveway behind me. It goes up to our pole building, which is where our gift shop is. But we've kind of realized that one of the days, I think it might have been the Saturday after Thanksgiving, we were just swamped with people. And a lot of people bought trailers and things like that. So I'm going to kind of show you my area where I'm thinking we're going to put our parking area for at least a few more seasons. I've got some stumps I need to dig out or grind, and then I've got a brush pile I've been slowly burning. So when you're coming up the main road, which is dirt, you have the option of going in our first or second drive. It's like a round drive, and then pulling in to kind of our small little parking area. But what my plan is to have people turn left, come down this trail, and then we're going to add parking back here where this brush pile is. So today my plan is try to burn all that brush up, and I've been slowly cleaning this fence row back. My cat is really sad. Come on. She just wants to hang out with us. So I've been slowly cleaning this fence row back. I was going to do a planting in here, but I kind of want a screen between me and the neighbor gal here, just so people kind of know where the property line is. We're going to probably thin some of this back, but not all of it. So I think this will be a good area for parking. Probably can park maybe 20 cars in here. It's maybe like a quarter, half acre maybe over here. I'm gonna probably take this tree out that's in the middle, I think. I don't know, I might leave it. Got a couple stumps to deal with. But once we do that, that'll give us plenty of parking for future seasons. So I'm slowly gonna burn up this big log that we fell a couple seasons ago, and I was gonna split it, but I just kind of gave up. Too much other stuff to get done. I'm just gonna continue to have some brush fires on there and keep burning it. But this is the area I'm trying to clean. It's not bad right now. I haven't really measured it, but like I said, I think you probably could get at least 20 cars, maybe like 15 along this, and then maybe 5 behind me. So it's a good wintertime project before the snow flies, because I know it will come here, and probably mid-January we normally get a lot of snow. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.